Special thanks to this company for sending us their battery 3-pack charger for GoPro. Let's open it up because there's nothing on the box besides the company logo. And inside of here we have, oh look at that, nice. We have an included USB C-type cable. Looks like it's about 2 feet, I'd say. Then we have everything else. That's it for the box. Little instruction guide for GoPro triple charger with LCD display. And inside of this foam is 1, 2, 3 GoPro batteries and the little charger. So that is the front, Artman. Got some nice grip on the bottom here. And you have USB cable. I like that the USB cable like ties around the device. That is a lovely design. And so if you open this up, this is where you're able to put all 3 batteries. So battery 1, normal GoPro battery. You can see GoPro Hero 9, 10, and 11. You essentially just take this battery and drop it in and it clicks into place. So do these, click into place. And last but not least, and click into place. And so then to charge all of these at once, just close your top, take your cable, plug it into a USB port, and there we go. It shows you the battery percentage of all 3 batteries. You can see this one's at 91, this one's at 92, and this one's at 73%, and it'll charge all 3 of them at the same time. Of course, you can also use this to plug your GoPro in if you want, but at the end of the day, if you've drained all your batteries doing some surfing, this would be the way to go. Nice digital screen that tells you everything, so you know how much charge they have and when they're fully charged. Perfect for somebody who uses a lot of different GoPros or just goes through GoPro batteries fairly quickly. So thanks again to Artman for sending this to me. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Deuces.